Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and
Ammu.
Ammu. Shall we make a sweet recipe today?
Okay.
It should be easy, tasty and something everyone likes.
Let's try making Chettinad special Ukkarai made of Moong Dal. Let's see how to make this Ukkarai.
Before that, subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, let's start.
Turn on the stove and have a cooker. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 3/4 cup of washed moong dal and roast it until its color turns a little bit. I will explain all the measurements based on the cup we used for moong dal. In the same cup that we used for moong dal, take half cup of ghee. You can use half cup of ghee or even 3/4 cup of ghee because using more ghee for this recipe gives better taste. So, I am using half cup of ghee from the cup used for moong dal.
Ammu, I can smell the moong dal's aroma and the color has changed.
At this stage, I have 3 cups of water, half the same cup used for moong dal. I will add 2.5 cup of water now and save the rest to melt jaggery later. Close the lid, place the weight and cook for 2 whistles, then turn it off. 2 whistles done. Now keep the cooker aside to release the pressure. Meantime, let's melt the jaggery. I have 1.5 cup of jaggery from the same cup used for moong dal. Add it to a pan and pour rest of the water and start to melt the jaggery.
Ammu, do we have to make it in pagupadam?
No, just melt it completely. It's melted nicely. Now filter it. Keep the melted jaggery aside. Now let's roast the 10 cashew nuts. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add the cashew nuts to it. Roast and keep it aside. Cooker steam settled. Let's see if the moong dal is cooked well. It's cooked nice. Now add half of the rest of the ghee to a pan. With that, add half cup of Rava and roast it. Rava roasted nicely. Now add the moong dal from the cooker. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 1 minute. 1 minute complete now. Let's open. Rava and moong dal have cooked well. At this stage, add the melted jaggery and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 pinch of salt, half cup of grated coconut and mix it all together nicely.
Mix it without forming any lumps.
Yes, mix to a halwa state. You can add ghee either now or later. I am adding some ghee now.
This is a very simple sweet to make.
Yes, but it's a very tasty sweet. Now it's in a halwa state. At this point, add the roasted cashew nuts and pour all the remaining ghee to it and mix it well. Then a tasty Ukkarai is ready. A very traditional sweet with an excellent taste. Whether you make this Ukkarai or Chakra Pongal, if you use Pagu Jaggery, it will taste excellent. That's it. Tasty Chettinad Ukkarai is ready. Simply yet very delicious Ukkarai is ready. Try making it with the same measurements and let us know in the comment section.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another recipe. Thanks for watching our video.